Yes! 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 Hard, yes!
This is a weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and/or hazards for the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-hazard day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office.
Yes!
The forecast for the local area. Rest of today, sunny. Highs around 70. Northeast winds around 5 miles
I'm so happy for this radio. It didn't die.
per hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. West winds up to 10 miles per hour. Thursday.
Sorry I didn't get the clip when it was going off. My phone was all the way on the charger over there. I didn't have enough time. So you see it go off. I look at it for about 2 seconds, and then I rush over to grab my phone, and then the alert's already over.